Good morning, dear friends. Today I'm bringing a lesson for you, okay? And this lesson will be very much practical for you. And you can learn some word meaning of English. All the words meaning that I'm going to tell you today will be related with the fingers of your hand, okay? The activities that we do every day with our fingers, each and every activities that we do with our hand and fingers, you will come to know in this video. And the most interesting thing in this video will be I'll be asking you very easy questions, okay, in the end of this video, and the winners will be awarded a prize by me after this video, okay? And if more than 2 right answers come to me, then there will be random selection of the right answers, okay? बुजि मोनदों जानांगौ नोंथांमोना आं दिनै नोंथांमोननो इंलिश लेसन लानानै फैदों आरो बे इंलिश लेसनाव नोंथांमोननो मोननैसो प्रेक्टिकल वर्ड मिनिं फोरोंनो थांगासिनो दङ आङो जाय वर्ड मिनिंखौ नोंथांमोना दिनैनिफ्राय माब्लाबाबो बावगारनाय नङा दिनै रोंनायनि उनाव आरो बेनिख्रुइबो इन्टारेस्टिं बुस्थुआ जाबाय नैबे भिडिअनि जोबथारनायाव नोंथांमोननि थाखाय मोनसे क्वेश्चन लाबोदों आङो बे क्वेश्चननि एन्सारखौ जायनो राइटलि हरनो हागोन कमेन्ट बक्सआव लिरनानै बिथांनो आङो मोनसे प्राइज होनाय जागोन आरो मोनसेनिख्रुइ गोबां कारेक्ट एन्सार फैयोब्ला कारेक्टफोरनि गेजेरनिफ्राय मोनसे कारेक्ट एन्सारखौ रेन्डमलि सेलेक्ट खालामनाय जागोन आरो बिथांनोनो प्राइज होनाय जागोन प्राइजआथ' गिफ्ट गिदिर नङा बिजाब गांसे हरनाय जागोन मोजां इन्टारेस्टिं बिजाब नैबायदि you can win any frank जायखिजाया मोजां बिजाब आरो गिदिर मासनि लिरनाय गांसे बिजाब आरो सोरबा जुदि बिजाबखौ नाङाबा बिजाबखौ जेसेबां दाम लायो बे दामनि फैसाखिनाखौ हरगोन आङो अपसनेल सोरबा बिजाब लाग्राया बिजाब लानो हागोन बा सोरबा बायदि सानोबा आंनो बिजाब नाङा आंनो बिजाबनि खरसाखौ हर आं खरसाखौ हरगोन okay now let's come to the lesson okay now we are going to learn the activities that we do with our fingers okay P-A-T pet means suppose this is toy okay this is toy and if you do animals or anything like this with your hands this is pet this is pet I'm petting the toy तारमाने ओरै जों बुइना थिगानो दोङो भाई थिगानो दोङो this is petting okay you are doing with your hands open आखाइखौ फुवारनानै बुनाय this is petting P-A-T petting I'm petting the toy okay next word is P-E-T pet okay petting is this we often do with our dogs or with our domestic animals like this is petting आरो हुनाय आसिजों सैमाफोरखौ अननानै ओरै जों हुब्लेना this is petting okay petting I'm petting the toy okay now if we push something with one finger okay like this is I'm poking the toy P-O-K-E poking I'm poking the toy थुनाय बेखौ बुङो थुनाय आसि मोनसेजों माखौबा ओरै नारोब्ला बेखौ थुनाय होनना बुङो बर'जों आरो बेखौ इंराजियाव poke P-O-K-E poke I'm poking the toy this is poking okay now and if you press something with your 2 fingers by using this thumb and first finger like this is pinch P-I-N-C-H pinch हेबनाय बेखौ बुङो आसि थाइनैजों माखौबा हमस्लाबनानै ओरै खालामोबा हेबनाय बुङो आरो बेखौ इंराजियाव P-I-N-C-H pinch I'm pinching the toy आङो फुथलाखौ हेबदों I'm pinching the toy आं फुथलाखौ हेबदों हेबनाय okay and if you close the fingers like this is called fist F F-I-S-T fist आखाइनि मुथाखौ बुङो F-I-S-T fist okay if you close the fingers like this it becomes fist and if you hit something with your fist like this if you hit something with your fist it is called punch so này P-U-N-C-H punch I'm punching the toy I am punching the toy Anga putlaka sodeng P-U-N-C-H punch okay and if you open the fingers like this okay if you open all the fingers like this and if you hit something like this it is called S-L-A-P slap sebanai आखाइखौ फुवारनानै आसिफोरखौ फुवारनानै माखौबा बुयोबा बेखौ सोबानाय बुङो it is called slap S-L-A-P slap if you open all the fingers like this and if you hit something like this it is called S-L-A-P slap sebanai okay now what was this if we press something by using our two fingers it is called pinch okay now if you open all the fingers and hold something and press like this it is called squeeze okay S-Q-U-E-Z-E squeeze शेबनाय ओरै शेथाबनाय जों खारजि मोखैफोरखौबो शेबो squeeze we squeeze the lemon and suppose that is the meaning if we open all the fingers and hold something and press it's called squeeze I'm squeezing the toy okay I'm squeezing the toy आङो फुथलाखौ शेबदों okay so I think you have understood all the activities that we do with our fingers okay and I think you will never forget the word meaning the activities that do with the fingers and that is the way we have to learn the word meaning and vocabulary then we can enrich your vocabulary and you will have no problem in speaking English language okay now let's come to the questions that I said in the beginning of the video that I'll ask you a questions and those who give the right answer will be awarded prize for that okay now the questions is how many fingers are there in human being okay I'm asking the questions once again how many fingers are there in human being so those viewers who can write the right answer in the comment box you will be awarded a very interesting and influential best-selling book of the world okay and if you don't want book you can request the cost of these books okay and I'm sending you after your right answer okay thank you so much bye bye